Understanding Drone Signal Loss, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: drone signal loss. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite relevant in our modern, technology-driven world. So, let's dive into what it means and why it's important to understand, especially if you're passionate about drones or technology. Before we dive into drone signal loss, it's crucial to understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones are often controlled remotely by a human operator or autonomously by onboard computers. They are used for various purposes, ranging from recreational photography to military operations. Now, let's break down the phrase, drone signal loss. This phrase comprises two key components. 1. Drone signal. This refers to the communication link between the drone and its controller. This link can be via radio waves, Wi-Fi, or other wireless communication methods. 2. Signal loss. This part of the phrase indicates the interruption or complete loss of the communication link. So, when combined, drone signal loss refers to the situation where the communication link between the drone and its controller is disrupted or completely lost. Understanding the causes and consequences of drone signal loss is crucial. Let's explore them. 1. Causes of signal loss. 2. Obstacles. Physical obstructions like buildings or trees can block the signal. 3. Distance. Exceeding the maximum range of the communication link. 4. Interference. Other electronic devices or networks can interfere with the signal. 5. Consequences of signal loss. 6. Loss of control. The operator may lose control over the drone. 7. Safety hazards. A drone out of control can pose risks to people and property. 8. Potential data loss. If the drone was collecting data or images, this might be lost. Preventing and managing signal loss is key to safe and effective drone operation. Here are some tips. Pre-flight checks. Always ensure your drone and controller are in good condition. Be aware of your surroundings. Avoid flying near obstacles that can block the signal. Stay within range. Be mindful of the maximum range of your drone and stay within it. Reduce interference. Try to avoid areas with high electronic interference. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the concept of drone signal loss. Remember, safe drone operation is not only about flying skills but also about understanding and managing the technology behind it. Stay safe, and happy flying. See you in the next video.